Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Gphone Tech. ASUS has launched a new laptop series in India. The ASUS ExpertBook laptop series is mainly targeted at business people, specifically the model name P2451FB. So let's dive into it and check out the laptop. Alright, so unboxing this simple looking box packaging reveals the laptop inside it, along with a 65-watt charger with a DC pin, a hard disk expansion kit, along with user manual and quick start guide. The ExpertBook P2 is made of metal on the top and plastic at the bottom. Like any typical business laptop, this ExpertBook also concentrates more on durability and sturdiness rather than the style factor. It has undergone some serious quality tests to pass some military grade standards, but even otherwise, this one looks definitely durable and sturdy. It weighs just 1.5 kg and it is very light at 20 mm. Even then, it hasn't sacrificed on the ports. On the right side, you would find a micro SD card reader, a headphone jack, USB 2.0, USB 3.2, a VGA port and a Kensington lock. On the left side, you would find the DC port for charging the laptop, an RJ45 Ethernet port, USB Type-C port which is an USB 3.2 port which can also charge this laptop, and then you have an HDMI port and an extra USB 3.2 port. Opening the ExpertBook, you would see the display which is surrounded by nominally sized bezels. It's got about 73% of screen to body ratio, but though this one is a 14-inch laptop, ASUS has managed to fit the entire display and laptop inside a chassis of a 13-inch laptop. Above the display is the web camera. This is an HD webcam. The ASUS ExpertBook also has a HD front camera. The camera has also got a privacy cover, which when closed hides your camera. The camera is quite okay, but for an HD camera, the quality could have been better. You can open the display and completely lay it flat at 180 degrees. That's impressive, but I am not impressed at the quality of the display. This is the Full HD panel, but the viewing angles are not that great. You can read the text from multiple angles, but the color is not very impressive. Plus, this being a business user-oriented laptop, the display is not a color-accurate display, because the target user of this laptop may not mind this. The keyboard you have here is a backlit keyboard. The key travel is good and the typing experience is overall a smooth experience. Accidental spillage of water would not damage the laptop because ASUS has built in some kind of water resistance under the keyboard as well. You get a full-sized trackpad which supports all gestures and clicks and taps. In spite of that, you can also get two buttons on the top for right click and left click. The ExpertBook P2 supports fingerprint sensor and also face unlock. The stereo speakers are placed on the front below the laptop. They are loud, they are good, but they are not as good as a commercial laptop which is made for a different user for a different purpose. But this ExpertBook is all about performance. Under the hood, this rocks an Intel i7 processor or i5 or i3 depending upon your choice and needs. But they are all 10th generation processors. You also get to choose between a basic graphics card, which is the 2GB MX110 from NVIDIA, and the RAM option starts from 8GB and goes all the way up to 32GB. On the storage front, it supports a 1TB SSD and up to 2TB of hard disk. The one I have with me for review is an i7 powered laptop with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. It has the 2GB NVIDIA GeForce MX110 graphics card, and in this configuration I got a PC Mark 10 score of 3374, which is impressive. The ExpertBook P2 also has Wi-Fi 6 and it runs on Windows 10. ASUS has also included some security related applications which the enterprise level admins may use to secure and gain control of your laptop if needed. ASUS promises about 13 hours of battery life, but in my usage I got about 10 hours of battery life. I was definitely impressed with the 65-watt charger because it charges the laptop really quick. Pricing of the ExpertBook P2 in India starts at Rs 58,697 excluding GST. These laptops will be available at ASUS exclusive stores and any leading commercial PC channel partners. If you have any other questions or queries regarding the ASUS ExpertBook P2, do let me know in the comment section below. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.